Good day, Miss Michelle. Can you tell me about yourself?
Hi ma'am, my name is Michelle Escoral. I'm 36 years old. I'm single. I college graduate. I took up Bachelor of Science in Psychology. I also took up vocational course which is caregiving for elderly.
How would you describe yourself?
I am a hardworking, cheerful person, reliable, and responsible.
Why do you want to work abroad?
I want to go to abroad because I want to help my family and to have a better future.
Do you have work experience abroad?
No. I don't have any experience in abroad, but I have experience here as a private caregiver for in adult.
Are you willing to take care of small children, newborn, baby, or elderly person abroad?
Yes, I'm willing to take her.
How would you take care of naughty children with temper and tantrums?
I will give some activities for them to make them busy, to focus, and to make them busy. That's all.
What will you do if you become homesick?
I will make myself busy at work and focus to my chores and to take care of my employer's needs.
Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, I'm not scared.
Are you willing to take care of pets, even big dogs?
Yes, I love taking care of dogs and cats.
Do you have any food allergy?
No.
Do you eat everything?
Yes.
Do you have the full consent of your family to go work and abroad?
Yes.
Do you promise not to use your cell phone during working hours?
Yes.
Do you promise to be honest and loyal to your employer?
Yes.
Do you have the physical energy to keep up with the children?
Yes.
Do you drink alcohol?
No.
How about smoking?
No.
Do you have any body tattoo?
No.
Do you have any history of surgery or
No.
serious sickness?
No.
Are you willing to share room with the children or elderly persons?
Yes.
Are you willing to wake up every early in the morning and sleep late at night?
Yes.
Are you willing to work during day off and the employer will pay you overtime?
Yes.
What is your final message to your future employer abroad?
Hi ma'am, if you will hire me, I will assure you that I will be a responsible and reliable person, reliable caregiver to you. Thank you.
Thank you so much.